Hello everyone, happy Sunday. My flat needs a huge reset. I feel like life got very hectic for the past 2 weeks. My flat needs a good deep clean. So I'm going to clean, organize, tidy up everything, and at the end I will do like a very nice reset night shower routine just to pamper myself. I hope you will get some inspo to do the same with me. So without further ado, let's get started. just wanted to show you my clothing rack. Since I got the clothing rack, guys, my life is so much easier. I know neither you love it or you hate it, nothing in between, but for me it's very nice because I can see everything, and depending on the season, of course, I can change it. So now we are towards spring, so definitely at some point next week I need to separate the clothes, but with the London weather you never know. This morning was extremely sunny, and then it got very gloomy, and then it rained a little bit. So I know we are in May, but you cannot predict. So that's why I have a lot of like cardigans, jumpers, I mean all the thinnest ones together. And I got this clothing rack from Amazon, and to be honest with you, it was very affordable. If I'm able to find the link for you guys, I will put it down below because it's very sturdy. That was one of my concerns when it comes to clothing racks, because I wanted like a big one. This one fits like 40 hangers, I would say. So it's quite big, but I want it to be very sturdy. So you can see if I'm pushing all the way down, it doesn't go anywhere. And also it has wheels, so if you want you can move it around. I mean, at the moment we've got some moisture by the wall, I don't know if you can see, so they're coming today to sort it out and paint it and all that stuff. So it'll be very easy for me to move the rack just with the wheels. I will put it the other side of the bedroom, and that's it. Amazing. And underneath I just chuck my suitcase as well, the carry-on, because I really try my best to go to Greece at least 3 times per year if I'm able to. So I really like to have my carry-on like in a place that it's very easy for me to grab it. So yeah, highly recommend getting a clothing rack. Is my favorite thing I would say for this year. So I'm gonna put the link down below for you guys. Hopefully I'm able to find it. It's a wrap, guys. I just finished cleaning, organizing the flat. Everything is ready. I'm ready to have a very relaxing bath. I just bought a bath bomb the other day from Lush and I'm very excited to try. I've got my tea already, like a very nice cup of tea with different herbs, and we're gonna do a nice face mask, then put our favorite body oil, body lotion, a fresh pair of pajamas, and we're gonna spend a very nice cozy night in. I'm so excited. By the way, I'm wearing my favorite dressing gown for summer, spring. This is amazing, such a nice quality, extremely soft. So I'm ready to do my skincare. So for years I used to use the micellar water from Bioderma, but I switched to the Garnier one because, to be honest with you, I feel it's a dupe. It's very nice if you have sensitive skin. So I've got a little mask here from a Greek brand. It's called Apivita, and this one in particular has lavender, and it's a face mask for hydration and anti-pollution. So I'm very excited to give it a try. I'm gonna let the mask probably for 10-15 minutes while I'm having my bath. Name a better feeling. I feel amazing. I had the most amazing bubble bath. This is the most rewarding part of the day after cleaning the flat, doing a full reset, wearing fresh pajamas, being so hydrated, did my skincare, I've got fresh bed sheets, so I'm ready to crash out for the night. And that's all guys for today's video. I'm gonna see you next week. Thank you so much for being here and keeping me company. I hope I gave you some inspiration as well, or I kept you company while you were cleaning your flat as well. Thank you so much. I will see you next week.